Hello friends, in this tutorial we're going to implement WaveView on our layout in Sketchware. So what we have here is the WaveView library, and this is the repo for the library. You can find all the documentation you need here and how to go about implementing it. So we can use this as a background or progress. So let's quickly try to implement this in a sample project in our Sketchware. So we're going to use it as a background resource. To do that, let's just copy this. Then open Sketchware. Quickly create a project if you don't have one already where you want to implement this. Let me call it waveform. So I'm going to share this project that I'll make here in Sketch. If you want a sample project, you can just head over there and download it. I'll leave the link in the description. So let's quickly add a linear 1. Let's make its width match parent, and then we're going to convert it from linear layout to waveform. So we paste waveform there. Then let's go back to Git and check on what other attributes we can add to our waveform. So you can see there are a number of attributes here which can be added to our waveform. So I'll change the background color. Inject. Okay, let's make the background, let's say blue. 296 F3. Okay, now with those mini changes, our waveform is ready to run. All we need is the library. So you can find the library in local library app. I will leave the link as well in description, or you can download the library from the official repo. I'll also leave the link in the description. So if you're going to use the dependency, that's if you're not going to download the library from local library app, you just copy the dependency here, go back to your Sketchware, go to menu, local library, then we can use a dependency to import the library. So I've shown how to import libraries many times in most of my tutorials. By now I'm sure you're getting a hang of it. So simply enable it. Click on it to enable, then go back. Let's test it by running the project. Now we install it, then open. There we go. Our waveform is working. So you can see it there. So you can tinker around with this simple project and configure it in a way that you want. You can achieve many things. Just read the documentation and yeah, work around.